Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. In which of the following figures the shaded part represents the decimal number 0.4? So first of all, we know that 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10. So this decimal number 0.4 represents 4 parts out of 10. We can say like that. So we have to find basically 4 parts out of 10 parts. So from the figure we can see in option A 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts are shaded out of 10 parts. So this is 4 parts out of 10. 4 parts out of 10 are shaded in this figure. Let's see the second option. In the second option we can see only one part is shaded. So we can say it is 1 part out of 10 are shaded. So here we can see this part is shaded. In the first figure 1, 2, 3 and 4 part was shaded. Now in the third figure we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Again here 4 parts are shaded out of 10. Now let's check the last option. So in the last option we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts out of 10 are shaded. Now in the question we have to find the figure in which the shaded part represents decimal number 0.4 means 4 by 10. So 4 parts out of 10 parts are shaded in option A and C. Hence we can say that the answer is option A and C.